Hello guys. Now TikTok has made it so easier now for everyone to earn. Even you that's watching me right now, you can also start earning right now by implementing these strategies that I'm going to share with you guys now. Okay, I'm going to leave a video for you guys to watch, which was made by Gigi on how you can set up your TikTok account and start making money for yourself for just streaming artist music. And this could be the video music, whosoever at all that you think is your favorite artist music. Okay, just play the music at your background, and that's all. You get it? So if you find this content helpful, guys, do well to follow this page and also share to your friends. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you guys.
TikTok, they pay more than every other platform on this planet, whether Facebook or YouTube. TikTok, they pay more than the rest platforms. This their new update will pay you $300 on a daily basis just by using a song of an artist. If it be Burna Boy song, Davido song, any artist where you love, you use their song on your video and the video get engagement. TikTok will pay you $300 for that video. You know understand? So when I get updates like this, I know they like keep that to myself. I'll reveal it to you so that if you see share this video, favorite the video so other people will see benefit from this information. Let's go through it. Once you log in your account, enter settings, enter creators tools, then enter work with artists. You see for your work with artists, click that place. Then see the requirements where you go meet before you go qualify. Be at least 18 years old, have at least more than 1,000 followers, then pass the authenticity verification, then apply. Once you apply, then you will carry come display. You see here, work with artists. Then see the tips here. Get rewarded for videos using the artist song. The better your video performs, the more you earn. Then start creating and submit your videos now. You know, see easy money. Then see videos here. Like this song now. Man, go back. Come back. Oh. This song now, €300. If you use this song now, €300. If you use this other one now, $300. So any song where you love, any artist where you love, if you use that song and you earn $300. See my earning for this one, my backup account now $0. I never activate this one. I make finish for see the money when I don't earn for that place. Because this one my backup account. I always want to take tissue. Then click this payment pay account setup. You know understand? Then click this payment method. Once you click payment method, you carry you come with me load. Click the payment method and download. Then easy money. Put bank transfer. You see country and region for this place, Nigeria. You put up for Nigeria, so you pay your money direct to your Nigeria account. So after this bank transfer, click that bank transfer. Once you click that place, now you will carry you come verify account. You know that they'll say you 6-digit code. Put up for this place. Once you put up for another, they'll say me you put password. You verify one. Okay, see my code now. They don't send that to me now. You know that so once you put up for this place now, you put your password is gone. I don't want to put my password here and I mean you're not gonna go hack my account. You know that. So follow like this and you go make money. If you know if you do and let me know so I'll put you through. Okay, so you see the process now. Very easy way to make money. So now they come here on TikTok, they waste your time. You know they earn, you know they do anything, and people are coming on a daily basis to make money. If you're the dance or you do your car just a vibe, they play the artist song for the background. Once that video get engagement, TikTok will pay you $300 for just doing nothing. You know understand? This one are easy money if you make. If you know if you do let me know. Just comment I'm interested on the comment section. I'll send you direct link. We will just activate everything once for you. Then make sure you favorite this video and also share this video. Let other people also benefit from this new update on TikTok. You know understand? And also follow this my account because you get why. I dey drop updates like this on concerning TikTok, how to monetize your content on every platform, whether Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. You know understand? Because I want everybody to be financially independent as usual. Gege.